Hello guys, welcome back to Cocktail Kitchen. I'm here with Davide, ex-Havana Social, and we're about to do some really nice cocktails. Your favorite cocktails, Davide?
Thank you, Valentin. So today, guys, we're gonna do a Boulevardier. It's very similar to Negroni. We just switch the gin for Bourbon or rye whiskey. Equal parts, very easy to make.
Good. Start with the Bourbon.
Yes, start with the Bourbon.
Nice.
I mean, you can start with whichever you want. The reason why, as you might know, like usually when you have spirit forward drink, you stir it. As I said, similar to Negroni.
Yeah.
The reason why we have a shaker is because we're gonna throw it. So throw it is this technique, sweet vermouth. Is this technique that
up and down.
Exactly.
What's the measure? Is it 30 ml?
So yeah, I'm using 30 ml of each for now I'm making two drinks.
Yeah.
But equal parts, so you can just like put an eye on it and
it just pour out.
Yeah, you can count it. Actually, usually I do like 1, 2, and this.
1, 2.
Yeah, and then you know if I'm having 2 or more drinks, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4.
Then if you forget to count, what's happening?
Yes, but you know it's homemade. So
yeah.
You just have to be balanced. That's the important thing.
Okay.
So now we use Campari as a bitter.
So 3 ingredients, equal quantity, as easy as that.
Really love the texture of the aeration that throwing technique gives to the drink. So as you can see, we are forming like some bubbles.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we do it like maybe 3-4 times.
So you basically force air into the liquid.
Exactly.
So it increases density, becomes more fluffy, more creamy. Why don't we do this with all the drinks?
Well, because you know, as you know, some drinks require like lemon juice or orange juice, and they don't mix really well in that case.
This is so much cooler.
Yes. And our glass, and you can do. Ooh, it's very
nice. It smells great, by the way. The Bourbon with Campari and everything.
If you spill it, don't worry, you can lick it.
Garnish. You need to show us.
As a garnish.
And then we'll post the video in a different section.
The private one. As a garnish, we just use a little orange.
Yeah, just a coin.
Yeah, so we can reuse it.
Okay.
And we just
use the oils, right?
Oil on top.
To get nice on the surface, and then you don't drop it inside. You put it.
Well, you can drop it in. I like my straight up drink without anything in it.
Yeah.
Right. So
simple.
It's just the oil and aromatic.
Yeah.
The first impression is always the one that counts. So this very aromatic orange flavor, it gives you like this freshness on the drink.
Yeah.
And as I said,
also it creates like an atmosphere around it. It smells like citrus. Thank you.
I'll take this peel one because it's my fault.
Grazie. Thank you.
Prego. Cheers.
Bitter, sweet, a lot of herbs, a lot of flavor in this little glass, huh?
Yes, yes.
It comes with a punch of flavor. It's stimulating. It's like
yes. I love it because obviously it's bitter, it's sweet. It has this nice bourbon flavor, so it's vanilla, all these notes from the oak.
Yeah.
But also it's very similar for a wine, and I'm not a red wine drinker, so I don't really.
I can see. No, I can see that.
That's easier for me.
How it will pair with food and
exactly
how it will
like,
open up your appetite. Yeah.
I think one of the best.
Absolutely. Thank you, Davide. Cheers. Guys.